Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry and today we are going to be making a key fab, faux leather key fab. So let's gather our supplies. You'll need a embroidery machine, faux leather, stabilizer, thread, and a design. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hoop up your stabilizer. Now my machine is a Baby Lock Verb and it only comes with a 4x4 hoop. And that's okay because there are a lot of things you can do with a 4x4. So I've put my stabilizer into my hoop and I'm checking to make sure that it's not too loose. You want it to be nice and taut. I give it a little tap because it should have a nice little like drum sound to it, a nice little ring. And then here, if you run your finger up and down your stabilizer, it shouldn't have any ripple effect. So now I'm going to load my stabilizer into my machine. Now you'll see here, I've already got my design loaded into my machine, downloaded to my machine. And now I want to make sure that the design that I have is going to fit on this piece of faux leather. So I am going to use my little buttons here to check and make sure that my design will fit. Oh, it must have been a while since I've done this because I really messed that up. So here it goes. It is tracing the outline of my design. And as you can see, it's all going to fit just fine. So now we hit the OK button. We're going to hit the embroidery button. And now we're going to be ready to go. So I'm going to thread my machine and drop my presser foot. And we're going to hit start so that we can do our placement stitch. I want to thank you for joining me today in making this key fab. If you like what you see here, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also grab that notification bell, give it a little ring so the next time I post a video, you'll get notification of it. I'll be leaving you here in a few moments and you'll have some music to take you through the stitching of this key fab. I do hope you like this. If you like this key fab, in the doodly doo, the down thing, the diddly bob down below, the information section, you will find a link. And that link will lead you to a website where you can get this design for free. So again, thanks for joining me, and I hope that you will watch this video all the way through. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Enjoy, everyone. Thank you. Well, it looks like we've made it to the part where we're going to have to put a backing on this because we are at the last stitch on this key fab set. So we're going to pull our hoop out and we are going to put another piece of faux leather right side up on the back of our hoop. So you can do this a number of ways. You can clip it, pin it, you can use adhesive spray, which is what I normally use, but today I am just going to show you how you can use simple Scotch tape. So I just put a piece of tape on each side of the hoop, and then I will put a small piece of tape up on the corners. Once it starts stitching, it's not going to go anywhere, but you just want to make sure that you can get it back in your machine and ready to go for that final stitch that seals everything together. Now with our final stitching done, it's time to release our key fob from our hoop. So you'll want to remove all your tape, and then you are going to start trimming jump stitches, removing your stabilizer from in between the two pieces, and then cutting them apart and adding your hardware. Now we are at the fun part. This is a kit that you can get off of Amazon, and the link for this will be down below. It comes with everything you need. You have the pliers, the cam snaps, everything that you could want to be able to put cam snaps on any of your projects. So I'm going to pull the pliers and I'm going to pull the awl and the tweezers out, remove the top lid, and there is a plethora of colors in here. So I think because I did a light blue trim and a light blue heart, I'm going to do light blue snaps. So you're going to need 4 snaps that have the prong on it, and then you're going to need 2 female and 2 male. Hey, we've reached the end of the video, and these are our final products. Adorable, cute little faux leather key fobs. Thanks for watching all. See you in the next video.